So this is number 6, and it asks us to write an inequality to represent this situation that it describes. So it's telling us the cost of apples, the cost of oranges, what they each cost. And then the question is, what combinations of the fruits can be bought for under $10? So when they say what combinations of the fruits, they mean like, what are some numbers of apples and numbers of oranges that you could afford to buy where it would cost less than $10 total? So since they're asking about numbers of apples and numbers of oranges, we need variables to represent those. So I'm going to define my variables and say let x equal the number of apples, because we need something to represent that. That's a number sign, not a hashtag. And then I'm going to have y. So I'll say let y equal the number of oranges. I wouldn't use O as a variable just because it's going to look like a 0 and that can be confusing. So I'm just going to use X and Y for my apples and oranges. So then, okay, basically we're concerned about the total cost being under $10. So if we wanted to know if we're going to buy X number of apples and each apple costs 75 cents, then the total cost of all X apples would be 75 cents or $0.75 times X, because X is the number of apples. And then we're going to add to that what the oranges would cost. So oranges cost 50 cents each. So I'm going to have 50 cents or $0.5 times the number of oranges. That would be what all the oranges would cost. And so added together, we want that to be under $10. So under meaning less than $10. Okay, and that's all it asks us to do, is just write an inequality. We don't need to solve anything. So that is our answer.